Delicious, nutritious, and so easy to make. And it is all about the vegetarian chili recipe. With all the veggies, beans, and a lot of spices in it, you'll experience rich flavor. Don't hesitate to start cooking right now. Pour oil in a large pot. Add diced onions, carrots, and stir. Add Bulgarian pepper, celery, and chopped garlic. Mix well and sauté. Continue to cook, adding corn, red and white beans, tomatoes, and their juice. Season with cumin, chili flakes, chili powder, oregano. Stir and bring to a simmer. Cook, stirring constantly. While serving, sprinkle with cheese and enjoy the rich taste of your vegetarian chili. For more recipes, subscribe to our channel and cook delicious meals together with us.